it gives the cells energy, and mitosis explains how like the cells like pretty much reproduce, basically. So there being more cells and more of the same cells, basically. Yeah.
A lot to put in, but like what I'm trying to say is basically that mitosis is just like getting into like a new cell. It goes through each phase, just like the cellular respiration.
So that's why we have the photosynthesis, because without photosynthesis, we can't get through the cellular respiration and mitosis. So that's why if we don't have oxygen, how will we get energy and how will we get to mitosis? Yeah. That's why that's important.
Plants created their energy and obtained what they needed to, and it's funny how that humans use cellular respiration too, and also plants. So it always happens in the
So what I hear you saying is that what's interesting about this unit was how both humans, animals, and plants use different ways to make energy.
Yeah, basically.
So we should try to find the differences between the type of energy that plants make and the type of energy that us humans make, and we can see what they have in common, and therefore we will see that the different methods that both plants and humans use are not actually that very different from each other. They're actually similar and have a lot in common.
We're talking about plants and humans and how they were in common a lot, and how they use different ways to make energy.